The wait is finally over. BMW has taken the wraps off its most ambitious supercar yet, the all-new 2026 BMW M9, a machine that not only redefines performance but also represents a bold leap into the future of design, luxury, and electrified speed. This isn't just another M car. This is the crown jewel of BMW's performance lineup, a car designed to rival the likes of Ferrari, Lamborghini, and McLaren, while carrying that iconic Bavarian DNA. Let's start with the design. The M9 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its silhouette screams aerodynamics, with an ultra-low stance, sculpted curves, and an aggressive front fascia dominated by BMW's reimagined kidney grills. Unlike anything we've seen before, the grills are slim, functional, and flanked by razor-sharp laser LED headlights. Every crease, every vent, and every line serves a purpose channeling air for maximum downforce and cooling. The rear is just as stunning, with a futuristic light bar, an active spoiler, and quad exhausts that remind you this isn't a tame electric luxury. It's an M9. Born to thrill. Step inside, and the future greets you. BMW has crafted a cabin that feels like a blend of race car minimalism and high-tech luxury. The driver-focused cockpit features a floating curved OLED display, augmented reality heads-up projection, and customizable ambient lighting. Carbon, fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather dominate the surfaces, giving you that motorsport feel while surrounding you with modern elegance. The M9 also introduces BMW's next-gen iDrive system with AI integration, capable of learning driver habits and tailoring performance modes on the fly. It's a car that feels alive, anticipating your every move. But let's get to the real heart of the matter, the performance. The 2026 BMW M9 is powered by a revolutionary hybrid setup, pairing a twin-turbocharged V8 with high-output electric motors. Together, this beast produces an earth-shattering 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 horsepower. In a BMW road car, all of that power is channeled through BMW's advanced MX Drive all-wheel drive system, allowing the M9 to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 2.2 seconds, making it the fastest production BMW ever built. Top speed, an electronically limited 250 miles per hour. Though insiders hint that with the limiter removed, the M9 could push even further. The hybrid system doesn't just provide insane acceleration, it also delivers efficiency when you need it. In pure electric mode, the M9 can cruise quietly for about 40 miles, perfect for city driving. But with one press of the M button, the car transforms, unleashing the full fury of its combustion engine and electric motors working in perfect harmony. Handling has always been BMW's forte, and the M9 raises the bar, thanks to its lightweight, carbon fiber chassis, adaptive suspension, rear-wheel steering, and active aerodynamics. This supercar hugs corners like it's glued to the track. Whether you're tearing down the Autobahn or carving through mountain roads, the M9 gives you confidence, precision, and thrills that rival the best in the world. BMW hasn't forgotten about safety and technology either. The M9 comes equipped with the latest suite of driver-assist features, including adaptive cruise, lane keeping, 3D parking assist, and even semi-autonomous driving modes. But make no mistake, this is still a driver's car. All the tech is designed to enhance your control, not take it away. Now, let's talk exclusivity. The 2026 BMW M9 will not be mass-produced. It's a halo car for the brand, a showcase of what BMW's M division is capable of when there are no compromises. Rumors suggest production will be limited to only a few thousand units worldwide, making it not just a car, but a collector's dream. Pricing is expected to start around $350,000, putting it right in the league of supercars from Italy and Britain. But what makes the M9 special is its blend of German engineering, futuristic hybrid technology, and timeless M performance heritage. It's not just competing, it's rewriting the rulebook. So, what does the arrival of the BMW M9 mean? It means that BMW is ready to take on the giants of the supercar world with something bold, something innovative, and something distinctly BMW. For enthusiasts, it's the dream come true. For rivals, it's a wake-up call. The all-new 2026 BMW M9 isn't just a car. It's a statement, a declaration that the future of performance belongs not only to tradition but also to innovation. And with its jaw-dropping looks, futuristic tech, and monstrous performance, it might just be the greatest BMW ever built. This is the BMW M9. The future of M has arrived.